To add fractions, you had to have a least common denominator, same denominator. And the way you do that, so we're trying to figure out what's the smallest number that a 2, a 4, and a 5 will go into. And I believe it's 20, but I'm going to show you a procedure that always works. So write down your denominators, and then break these down to prime factors. Well, 2 is already prime. 4 is 2 squared, and a 5 is already prime. So your LCD will equal, what you do now is list your factors. The only factors I see are a 2 and a 5. And you go back and ask yourself this question. How many 2's do you see here? Well, just 1. How many 2's here? 2. So what was the most amount of 2's that you said? 2. So put that exponent right there. Let's do the same thing for the 5. How many 5's do you see here? 0. How many factors of 5 here? None. How many factors of 5 here? 1. So your LCD is going to be 2 squared times 5, which is 20. Now we need to take 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/5 and put each one over 20. What do you need to multiply a 2 by to give you 20? Well, that would be 10. Well, if you multiply the bottom by 10, you got to multiply the top by 10, because 10 over 10 is just a value of 1. So you're not changing the value of it, you're just changing how it looks. So 10 times 1 is 10. What do you mean to multiply this 4 by to give you 20? A 5. You multiply the bottom by 5, you got to multiply the top by 5. So that gives you 5. Repeat it again for this 1/5. What do you need to multiply 5 by to give you 20? 4. Multiply the bottom by 4, you got to multiply the top by 4. 1 times 4 is 4. So keep your common denominator. 10 plus 5 plus 14 is 19. So that's how you get that.